Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ka BJP hamiglia ba Ernest Mawrie ulakam bagaseng ke Tylli Mlon. Mat baro kimat ladep manyakren hapo ka kur komiti harangkat ka jingedon lang National Vice President Dr. M. Chuba Au daipet ya ka BJP hakani ka jelah. Habayday berkajing ong usembut menteri rangba ka jelah ba ka BJP kala ban mino ladakam sengomon syuk ban don lang hapo ka sarkar MDA ubak Mawrie ong baya karai halor kani ensim da ka BJP sengkeme namar kinong yalam ka BJP sengkeme ru kilawan lang semeklia hakapor batau ya ka sarkar MDA.
The in charge of Meghalaya has visited us, Dr. M. Chuba Au. So actually today we have the core committee meeting to discuss about how to strengthen the party. And we have discussed so many issues and in the core committee decision, we cannot keep it to the press. That is the party protocol. So again, tomorrow we are visiting him in our state office and we'll have the state office bearer meeting with our new in charge and with the Morsha and with the Shillong City district. So again, I'll come to you tomorrow after the meeting in the office. Evening time, after 4. Yes, we have the confidence. We are together. Both MLA also attend the core committee meeting and all the core committee members also were present and we have discussed thoroughly and everything will be resolved. Actually, they have given their own statement. It is not like they are against the party decision. That is just a personal statement of Ba'asanbor or Baek. We are very much united and all the decision has been taken along with the party leaders and with the MLA. That's why we have taken up the issues. You see, like you have seen in other states, in Rajasthan, UP, they have abolished this central bonded warehouse because it takes a right of mafia. That is very open. That's why in the state ruling by the BJP, they want to abolish. But very unfortunate how the government here, they want to implement that central bonded warehouse. Yeah, during the meeting, he was very happy. We welcome him since he is from Nagaland and he's a tribal and he will more close to us since we are a tribal state. That is the very happy moment for us also. We got in charge, this is the first time, and he's a national vice president and he's in charge of our state. He encouraged us to work hard to make the organization more strong so that we can prepare the coming election. We, BJP, we always push up the organization to be strong before we go for any election, whether it's a general election or a district council election. From the government also, I think you have seen, all the central leaders has taken initiative to form the government and that decision will take by the central leader.